Okay, so I'm going to start with a pretty bold claim. Analyzing trends is, well, it's actually easy. And stick with me, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to start spotting what's coming next, often way before anyone else even has a clue. Does this sound familiar? You know, a new product, a new fashion style, some new idea just seems to pop up everywhere, all at once. And you're left feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up, only noticing these trends after they've already hit their peak. It's a super common feeling. But what if you could finally get ahead of that curve? Well, here's the good news. The people who seem to spot trends early, they don't have some kind of magical ability. They're not predicting the future with a crystal ball. Nope. They've just trained themselves to see the small, subtle clues that almost everyone else overlooks. It's a skill, and just like any other skill, you can learn it. And this skill is what we're going to call the art of context clues. It's all about learning how to pick out those meaningful, early signals from the overwhelming noise of the mainstream chatter. So what exactly is a context clue? Just think of it like a quiet signal. It's the whisper before the shout. It could be a new phrase that keeps popping up in a small online forum, or maybe a unique product that's being discussed in a niche Discord server. The key here is that it happens before it's plastered all over every blog and news site. And this really highlights a crucial difference. You know, by the time something is a trending topic on social media or it's a major news headline, you're looking at a late indicator. The trend has already arrived. The party's in full swing. The real magic, the real opportunity, lies in those early context clues, the niche conversations, the new slang. That's where the story really begins. Okay, so the theory makes sense, right? But how do you actually do this? Let's get practical. We're going to use a really simple framework called the spike method. It's a super straightforward technique for finding these hidden trends. The spike method is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously. First, you identify the niche communities where the real innovators and early adopters hang out. Step 2, you monitor those places for spikes. That's a sudden jump in the use of a specific word or a question or an idea. And finally, you connect the dots. If you start seeing that same spike appearing in a few different unrelated places, you know you're onto something big. Knowing the method is great, but knowing where to actually look is just as important. So let's build out our trend spotting toolkit and figure out the best hunting grounds for these context clues. This shows you how the method works no matter what you're interested in. So for example, in tech, an early context clue might be a bunch of developers on a subreddit who are suddenly all buzzing about some new software library. You'll see that chatter on Reddit or a specific Discord server months, literally months before a big tech blog writes a feature on it. The same logic works everywhere, from fashion to culture. The clues always show up in those niche communities first. All right, let's bring it all home and summarize the key takeaways that you really need to remember. If you remember anything from this whole explainer, please make it these 4 points. 1. Stop looking at the big, obvious headlines and start searching for the quiet clues. 2. Find those niche communities where the passionate people are. 3. Keep an eye out for those spikes in new conversations and ideas. And finally, number 4. Remember that the goal here is to see the pattern forming before it's obvious to absolutely everyone else. Okay, just a quick and really important note before we finish up. This explainer is just for informational purposes. It's one way of looking at the market, but it is absolutely not financial advice. Please, always do your own thorough research before making any decisions. And of course, if this was helpful for you and you want to see more explainers just like this one, taking a quick second to like it and subscribe to the channel makes a huge difference. We'd really appreciate it. And to finish us off, I have a question for you. What's a trend you spotted early? And more importantly, what was that very first context clue that tipped you off? I would love to read your story, so please share them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.